prepositions of time. What is the meaning of prepositions of time? Yes, prepositions of time tell us the time when something happens. हमको prepositions of time क्या बताता है? Tell us the time when something happens. Time बताता है कि कब क्या होने वाला है. Something happens. Okay, now let's move to the some important notes. We use in with times of day, months and years. जब हम times of day, months and years की बात करते हैं, at that time we are using preposition in. Next, we use on with days and dates. We use on. हम कौन सा preposition use करते हैं? On. किसके साथ? With days and dates. Okay. Next, we use at. We use at. We use preposition at with. किसके साथ? With clock time, holiday and festivals. Like you are having the holidays and you are having holidays on the festivals. At that time we are using preposition at. These three things are important: in, on and at. So you have to keep such things in your mind. Okay students? Okay students, so now let's move to the exercise. Write the given words in the correct columns. Here few words are given, so we have to write these words into the correct column. Okay, now let's move to the first example. January. January is the month, right? So according to the rules what I taught you, so January will come in the in because it's a month. So we will write January here. Okay, what is written next? Saturday, right? Saturday is a day. Saturday is a day. So, what I am saying to you, you are having holiday on Saturday. मैंने क्या बोला? You are having holiday on Saturday. So we have to write Saturday in the column on. Okay. Next sentence, next example is 4 p.m. 4 p.m. is the time. If we are going somewhere, so what we saying? We are going this place at 4 p.m. So we have to write 4 p.m. in the column at 4 p.m. Okay, what is written? The afternoon. So if we are going somewhere, so आप क्या बोलते हो? I am going this place in the afternoon. हम कैसे बोलते हैं? In the afternoon. So where we write the afternoon? Here. The afternoon. Okay. Next example is Christmas. Christmas is a holiday, right? So what I am saying to you, you are having holiday, right? Christmas is a holiday. So we have to write Christmas where? We have to write Christmas in the column at. Okay. Next example is my birthday. What is written here? My birthday. So आप क्या बोलते हो? My birthday is on the date बताते हो ना? So what you write? My birthday is on the. So where we write my birthday? In the column on. My birthday. Okay, next. Okay, students. So next example is 5 o'clock. Where we have to write 5 o'clock, it mentioned the time, right? So whatever we have to write according to the time, so we have to write in at. Why? Because if I am going somewhere, what I am saying that I have to go at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, right? So here we write 5 o'clock, okay? Next example is 16th May 1990. Here month is also there and year is also there, right? What we are saying, I born on 16th May 1990. So we are using on. So where we write 16th May 1990 here. 16th May 1990. Okay, so students, now your concept is clear that where we have to use on, in and preposition at. Okay, according to the holidays, days, time. Okay. Okay, students, so now let's move to the next exercise. What is written here? Complete these sentences with these prepositions of time. As we learned before, right? We have to use on, in and at according to the sentence. Okay. So now let's move to the first sentence. School starts dash 8 o'clock. So here time is written. So what we write? School starts at 8 o'clock. Right. Next. I brush my teeth dash the morning. On the morning, can we write? No. At the morning? No. I brush my teeth in the morning. Okay. Next example is we are going for a film dash Sunday. At Sunday? No. In Sunday? No. On Sunday, यानी मैं Sunday को मूवी देखने जाने वाला हूँ. So what we write? On Sunday. The watchman goes to sleep dash 6 a.m. Here time is written, so what we write? At 6 a.m. And next sentence is an owl is awake dash night. An owl is awake. Can we write on night? No. So an owl is awake at night. Okay. Next example is my sister's birthday is dash July. Can we write in July? Yes. My sister's birthday is in July. Okay. Next sentence is I get new clothes dash Diwali. So at Diwali? No. In Diwali? No. I get new clothes on Diwali. Okay, students, so let's move to the last sentence. The rooster crows dash dawn. So what we write? The rooster crows at dawn. Okay, so now here it is clear for you where we have to use on, in and at according to the sentence. Okay, students, so now let's move to the next exercise. Complete these sentences with the words given in the box. We have to complete these sentences with the help of these words. Okay, now first sentence is what do you do on Sundays? No. 1 o'clock? No. The evening? No. What do you do on your birthday? What do you on your birthday? It's a caution. Your birthday. Okay, next sentence is grandfather likes to relax in. So, Sundays? No. 1 o'clock? No. In the evening. Grandfather को relax करना कब अच्छा लगता है? In the evening. Next sentence is Chennai gets very hot in summer. Chennai gets very hot in summer, यानी गर्मियों में. Okay. So next sentence is the moon comes out at, कब आता है moon बाहर? At night. Okay. Next sentence is many shops are closed on Sundays. बहुत सारे shops कब बंद होते हैं? On Sundays. Okay, and next last is lunch break is at 1 o'clock. Lunch break is at 1 o'clock. Okay. Here you clear that how to have to use such words in these sentences. Okay, students, clear? Okay, students. So now let's move to the next exercise. Complete this passage with prepositions of place and time. Okay. So now Kirti lives dash a village in Tamil Nadu. So Kirti lives in a village in Tamil Nadu. She wakes up dash 6 o'clock every morning. 6 o'clock, particular time is given. So what we write? At. She has a bath and gets ready. Then she puts her books dash her school bag. Then she puts her books in her school bag. Next, she has breakfast and leaves for school dash 7 o'clock. Here time is given. So at 7 o'clock. Okay. Next, school finishes dash 2 o'clock. So school finishes at 2 o'clock. In the afternoon, what we write? In the afternoon, Kirti takes a short nap. She sometimes visits her friend Sumi dash her home or goes to play dash village ground. She sometimes visits her friend Sumi at her home or goes to play in the village ground. Okay. Refer this video. We will provide you homework in our group. We will interact soon in online session for your queries and homework.